What's up guys, welcome to another video, and again we are come back with a brand new video. So first of all, I think it's a little bit bad news for the Samsung users because the Galaxy S21 Ultra will be Samsung's new ultimate phone when it's launched next year. But for better or worse, it will share a lot of its photography hardware with the Samsung last model. Ice Universe, the long respected Twitter leaker, has made some interesting claims about the Samsung's first flagship phone in 2021. We have all the details about it, but the bottom line is that the rear camera can be the same as the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This thing might be a very disgusting for the some users. Samsung will again use a large 108 megapixel sensor on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Samsung is actually working on the larger camera sensor than this one, but 108 megapixel will still be the best in terms of overall resolution. We hope that the ultra wide and the telephoto cameras match this camera. We heard that the S21 Ultra can actually have two telephoto lenses, one 3x and one 10x, which is welcome upgrade. However, this has not been confirmed. The laser focus sensor is connected to the 108 megapixel camera, but no time of flight sensor. The main camera on the Galaxy S20 Ultra struggles to focus on objects, but the Note 20 Ultra Samsung used laser autofocus, which fixed the problem. In fact, it did an excellent job based on our tests. Ice Universe also offers some technical details, but camera fans may be disappointed to hear that this is exactly the same as before. While we can expect the 108 megapixel resolution to remain the same, but with a different chip, it's definitely the same HM3 CMOS with 0.8 micron pixels. The Note 20 Ultra is currently one of our best camera phones right behind the iPhone 12 Pro, so the similarities between the Note 20 Ultra and the S21 Ultra likely mean good things for the S21's photographic performance. But Samsung really needs to up its post-processing game to capture iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. Another recent tweet from Ice Universe mentioned a slight improvement to the next Galaxy in the form of a smaller chin frame on the display, while the first tweet in the thread is praising Apple for making the bezel on the iPhone 12 mini the smallest they have come across. Ice Universe mentioned that the Galaxy S21 will also have a super slim frame. The size of the bottom bezel is a bit significant for most users, but as Ice Universe says, it demonstrates proficiency in the phone manufacturer's technical and design skill. We have already seen Samsung's been thinking about this too, with the recent patent for super thin blade bezels combined with the possible return of a QHD resolutions and 120Hz refresh rate. This can be a very impressive display. Galaxy S series phones are usually introduced in February, as in the Galaxy S20. However, the latest release date of the Galaxy S21 states that the leak will take place on the January 14, 2021. This is believed to be a reaction to the late coming out of the iPhone 12 series and is expecting to become a bestseller thanks to their size range and largest 5G support. So I think guys you enjoyed this video. So before going to anyway, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.